Hello everyone, this is me Shani from Tech Basic. Today in this video, we'll learn about how to log into USCIS Lawyer. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First step is to open up your browser. After opening your browser, click on the URL and type in USCIS Lawyer. Now click on the link which says www.uscis.gov. USCIS stands for US Citizenship and Immigration Services. Now on the top you can see the sign in option. Click on it. Here it shows two options, sign in and create account. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on create account and create a new account. Now click on sign in. Now you will need your email address and a password. Type in your email. Type in your password. If you have forgot your password, you can click on this link and recover your password. Now click on sign in. Following this simple step, you can now easily log into USCIS Lawyer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to comment down below and please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.